These are the Ghana and Ecuador lots. Check the certificates. Sample from Madagascar looks good. Pouring it out now. Temps holding at 50, consistency looks good. Good flow, keep it steady. Temps holding at 50, consistency looks good. Good flow, keep it steady.
The conch aerates and refines the chocolate. Over hours, flavor matures as texture becomes silky. A time-lapse shows the transformation. The chocolate is cooled to 27 degrees to form crystals, then gently reheated to 31. Workers test for a glossy finish and a clean snap.
Surface defect detected. Chip. Confirmed. Diverting to manual. Manual check complete. This one fails.